Okay lang.
Okay. So, this is your first drawing, di ba? So, what is the boy doing here in this drawing? What is he doing?
He's just walking.
Okay, so how old do you think is he? Okay. So, um, does he prefer his mom or his dad?
I prefer.
I mean, who does he like better, his mom or his dad?
Mom?
Okay. So, does he have brother, sister?
Yes.
Okay. So, does he go to school or what does he do?
Um, go to school.
Hmm. So, does he go to school?
Sabi niya go to school.
Hindi ko nakinig, sorry. So, yeah, what does he want to be in the future?
Because he's invincible. A singer?
Okay. So, is he good looking? Is he smart?
No. No, because he's old.
So, is he healthy?
No.
Is he strong?
Yes.
Okay.
What? He's like an old man.
So, what do you think is the best part of his body? You can point if you want.
Nice feet. Why is it a feet also?
Why?
Because that's not heavy shoes. Heavy shoes. Because the shoes fit on him.
Okay. So, if this is his best part, what is his worst part?
His,
Why?
I mean hair.
Why?
It's weird.
Okay,
Baby
so
hair kasi. It's like baby hair.
so does he become sad? Angry?
Yes.
Why?
Because somebody bite him.
Somebody what?
Bite him.
Bite?
Bite
A
him.
fight. Like playmate?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay. So what does he remind you of? I mean, who does he remind you of? Um,
Classmate?
classmate. Is he your friend?
Yeah.
Are you close? Oh, okay. Seatmate. You mean you sit beside each other?
No.
Okay. So, I guess that's all. Thank you.
Okay, we're done.